Experiencing problems with the Spectrum TV app on your Xbox One? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues with installation, sign-in, and playback. This section will address these common problems and provide quick solutions to get you back to streaming. First, ensure your Xbox One is updated to the latest operating system. Compatibility glitches often arise after Xbox firmware updates. If the app won't install, try power cycling your console by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Then clear the Xbox Store cache via Settings, Devices and Streaming, Blu-ray, Persistent Storage. Having trouble signing in? Remember that two-factor authentication, 2FA, is now mandatory for new Spectrum accounts. If you're stuck in a sign-in loop, reset your Spectrum password via the app's Forgot Password option or the Spectrum website. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app is also effective, as cached credentials can become corrupted. For buffering or freezing during playback, check your internet bandwidth using the Xbox's built-in speed test. Aim for 10 plus Mbps for HD streaming. Restart your modem and router, and disable QoS settings on your network if throttling is suspected. In the Spectrum app settings, enable Allow High Bitrate Streaming for smoother playback. If problems persist, test on another device to determine if the issue is specific to your Xbox One. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Spectrum TV app issues on Xbox One, let's explore some advanced solutions and consider future trends. For persistent sign-in problems, try linking your Spectrum account via a mobile device first, then syncing to your Xbox. This multi-device approach has proven effective for many users. If buffering occurs during peak usage, connect your Xbox One to your router via Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. Also, ensure your router's firmware is up to date. Many issues stem from increased reliance on hybrid cable streaming services, so be mindful of multi-device sign-in limits, up to 5 simultaneous streams. Looking ahead, Spectrum plans to integrate AI-driven diagnostics in its app, which may automatically detect and fix Xbox issues, such as predictive buffering adjustments. While Xbox's focus on cloud gaming, Project xCloud Evolution, may improve app performance, compatibility hurdles with older Xbox One models are possible. The industry trend is shifting toward app-less streaming via web browsers or direct console integration, potentially phasing out dedicated apps like Spectrum's in the future. As user adoption of 4K HDR streaming grows, infrastructure upgrades will be crucial to prevent intensified playback issues. For the latest fixes, consult official sources like Spectrum's support site or Xbox forums. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support directly.